Welcome back, everybody. My name is Daylin, and you are tuning into the StrikeX Lounge. It's so great to see you guys again. And in this video, we're going to be going over the new V2 crypto swaps update in the StrikeX wallet. So with that, we're going to go into the wallet. So you can see I'm on my home page now. Also, you'll notice there's a beautiful new logo icon for the app for the StrikeX wallet. It looks fantastic. It really just stands out. I really, really love it. So that purple, blue, white combo, fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's gonna come up with my Face ID. Great, I am in. So now we're on the home page. You can see that I have $96 balance, so I have a little bit of crypto on here. And then you see that home button at the bottom. We're just actually gonna click on the button next to it to the left, the little StrikeX icon. And that's gonna bring us into the Swap Crypto tab. So you can see here, totally redone. Looks really clean, looks really nice. And let's just start off with, actually let's switch over because there's a bunch of different networks. So we're gonna switch over to the Binance Smart Chain. We're gonna do BNB. And let's just say that the asset that we're gonna swap into is StrikeX. So you can see here, looks really nice and clean, right? So first feature, there's this button in the middle, the two arrows, one going up, one going down. You click that, that's just gonna swap the positions of them. So I'll click that. Oh, now I'm swapping StrikeX into BNB. So very simple and easy way to do that. And we can just click that back. Nice little animation, looks cute. Great. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is the little gear icon in the top left. So we're gonna click on that. And that's gonna come up with the transaction settings. So you can see here, slippage tolerance, gas prices, trading preference. And there's this little eye icon right here next to the words. So I click on that, slippage tolerance, and it gives you a little detailed blurb about what that means and how it works. So go to that, and that works for all of them. GUI, gas prices, trading preference, we can click on that, same thing. So that's really nice to have that information for anybody who's not sure exactly how it all works. So educating and making sure that it's understood before you do anything. Great. So slippage tolerance, I could click auto, or I could go over and I could do 0.5%, I could do 1%, or I could type in a custom amount, say 10. Okay, now I have that selected as 10, but let's say that I don't want that. I'll just go back to auto. But let's just, for this example, I'll just click 0.5%. Gas prices, same thing, fast, slow, or average, and you can do a custom amount. Let's just say I want to do slow, and then trading preference, asset / currency. I'm gonna just change it to currency. I'll click save. Okay, now it's in currency form. So that's the other thing that's great, is I could do the percentage of BNB, such as 20% BNB to StrikeX. And rather than it showing the coin value, like the amount of coins that I'm trading, it's showing the dollar value and showing how much in dollars I will get of that asset. So that is really, really nice. Now let's say that I don't want to go back and click auto, it takes a few seconds, but still there's this little button in the top left that you can click, and that is just going to reset everything to the default settings. And now we're back. So and the next button, over here we have another little eye icon, and it's going to tell you some more information. Swap with the StrikeX wallet, and it just goes on and shows you some of that important information. So that is great. So let's see, you can click terms and condition, or got it, let me swap. The one next to it is transaction history. So this is great. You want all of your different transactions because it's important to keep track of these things for tax purposes and everything. So there's a button right here that says show all, and it's going to show you all the transactions that you've had using the swaps and everything in the wallet. So there's a little list here. I can click on the transactions with BNB, the transactions with StrikeX. Let's say that I want to keep these StrikeX transactions. There's the little button in the right corner. I'm going to click that, and you can then get these sent to your email. So you can click the settings, you want it by value, and you want it ascending, and you want it in the last 1 month. And you can change all these settings depending on how you want it. I'm going to click generate, and then you're going to type in your email. And then you're going to get a download available for it that's sent to your email, and then you have all your transaction history. So very, very nice feature, very slick, very easy to use. So we'll go back to the Swap Crypto tab over here. I just wanted to quickly pause it to show you another feature in the Swap Crypto tab. So let's say you want to import a newly launched project, but it's not yet listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. All you want to do is select the network that project is launched on, then you click on the Search Assets tab, and you're just going to paste the contract for that newly launched project or asset that isn't being tracked yet. For an example, I just selected a project that was newly launched. There's no credibility to it. Please don't buy into this project. It is just an example. I click it, and then it's gonna give me that disclaimer. I click continue. And then it comes up with another one, token data not yet tracked. Would you like to proceed? I click no because I don't trust it, but if you did, you would click yes. That is just a great feature to be able to buy into any project that is newly launched that might not be listed yet. Okay, back to the main video. Now I'm gonna click on the BNB and you can see that there's a lot of different networks now. Select a network. So you got BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, we have Base, we got ARB, we have a lot of different ones. So let's say that I wanted to trade some Polygon, for example. So I have about $25 of Matic right now. And let's see, now I wanna find a token to swap into. Let's just say we want some sand. We want some sand. Okay, now it's gonna come up with a little disclaimer saying anyone has the ability to create a token. Just read this. You just wanna make sure that whatever you're importing, of course, is secure and safe. So that's gonna come up every single time to make sure. And if you, of course, if you know the coin, it's a well-known one, then you're probably fine, but just always be cautious in this space. I'm gonna click continue. Now we're gonna go back to the screen right here and I'm gonna swap Matic into sand. So let's just say that I want 20% of my Matic to swap into sand. So that's about $5.18. So we're gonna click continue. Review your swap. Slippage, conversion rate, gas fee, provider fee. Or the other thing is there's a little gear icon and you can go back into those transaction settings to change any of those if you want. Now I'm pretty happy with this. I wanna swap it. Oh, by the way, doesn't this look so nice and clean? It looks fantastic. So Face ID, okay, it says that it's loading. Swapping your crypto, you're receiving sand. I'm gonna be receiving 10 sand tokens, coins, and about $5.15 worth. Great. Now I'm done. So it's gonna take me back to the home page, or I could have clicked swap more tokens if I wanted to swap more. So that's Matic. Let's say that I want a little bit of StrikeX. So I would click Binance, BNB, and I am going to swap it into StrikeX. So again, you know, I got a little bit of BNB. I want like 21%, $2.21. Going for one of those big buys right now. I'm gonna click continue. Again, review your swap. Looks good, I'm happy with it. Swap. Face ID, loads, swapping your crypto. I received 70 StrikeX coins. It is fantastic. It is so quick and it just looks so good. It just looks fantastic. Really impressed with just the UI design. And of course that's Kish. He does a phenomenal job at making sure that the wallet just looks fantastic. The devs are in the back end making sure everything works properly together, and then there's Kish just making it look really good too. So great, I am going to swap one more set of tokens. So I've selected Base for my network. I just clicked on Base, you can see right there, and I'm just gonna swap into USDC. So once that loads in, and I'm gonna do about, let's just say 20%. You know, I wanna keep it in stables. I don't want it to fluctuate too much. So great, you know, $6.23 of Base to $6.20 of USDC. Review your swap. Slippage, conversion rate, gas fee, and of course provider fee. Happy with it, like it, okay. Face ID, and boom, swapping your crypto, it is done. You're receiving this amount. I'm very happy with that. I made some swaps. I'm happy with the tokens that I now own that are in my wallet. So we'll go back to this home page. We'll just refresh it a little bit to make sure that everything is accounted for. All those new tokens that I've swapped are now into my wallet and showing up. So yeah, now I have about $20 of Matic left. I have about $24 of Base left. We can go all the way down and it's gonna show some of the prices. USDC's right there. Our sand is there as well. And of course, our StrikeX is also in here at the top. Now I could go over to the stats page and it's gonna show you my allocation of all my different coins. It looks very pretty, little colorful bar there. And it's just showing the different allocations. So it's showing the assets, the invested amount, and the allocation. So asset for there it is, Base, you know, $24.57. That makes up about 25% of my crypto wallet right now. Matic is taking up about $21, which is about 21%. ETH, $13, so 14%. And you can see it's just nicely laid out and it just looks really good. So those are all the assets that I now own. They're all in my wallet. They're showing up on that home page. Everything looks great. And it's all thanks to this new V2 update on the crypto swaps page. It is just fantastic. Again, it's fast. It looks so good and it just complements the wallet so well. Again, this is just the start. This is just the beginning of these V2 updates. There's so many more down the line. This wallet is getting a massive upgrade, just everything being revamped. It was already great, but it's gonna be even better now. So very, very impressed with these updates from the team. Again, they're working hard. They're making these things happen. Very, very impressive. The StrikeX team just continues to impress me with their hard work and the quality of their products. So fantastic. So if you haven't yet, please go ahead and download the new update. If you haven't downloaded the wallet, please go download the StrikeX wallet. Play with it. I think it won't take you very long to realize that this is the best wallet on the market. It is the best crypto wallet in my personal opinion. I think in a lot of others' opinions, just because of how good it looks, how well it works. It is just a fantastic all-in-one place that you can manage and sell, trade, buy all of your different assets. It is just phenomenal. Also, if you guys haven't yet, please go ahead and follow us on socials. I'll have kind of some of them different ones down here. Join the Telegram and the Discord for updates, and also make sure to be checking out the blog post that StrikeX puts out. It is great. A lot of very, very good information out there for those of you who want to understand more about RWAs and tokenization and the long-term big goals that StrikeX technology has and continues to work towards. So that is our review, overview, little tutorial on the features for the V2 crypto swap section. Go ahead, download it, enjoy, and we're gonna see you very soon for future updates and overviews. And until then, we'll see you in the next video.